Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel. For those that are new, this channel is just there to help you guys as an online entrepreneur with updates, which I think is very vital and valuable. So guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about the do's and don'ts of what you need to know if you want to really restore back your banned PayPal account, which I know most of you guys be finding it difficult to restore it, most especially once you have tried contacting PayPal in order for them to help you, but you find out that all your effort has been to no avail, which is why I'm making out time to make a video that is going to give you the proper guidance, the proper way that you will be able to talk to PayPal and ask them to restore your account, and you get your result back like this, meaning your account is restored back. So guys, in order not to miss out in this video hints and guides, you need to watch this video to the end, which I believe is going to be very valuable. So in order not to miss it, watch it to the end. And so guys, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for checking on this channel. Thank you for finding values in this channel. And if you know you are new, please do well to click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We drop updates which is very vital and very valuable, which I believe if you stick with us in every of our videos, you will not be missing out all the latest updates you need to know as an online entrepreneur. So guys, see you in the video, and please don't forget to share this video once it's finally done, and don't forget to subscribe too. Love you guys. See you in the video. So guys, welcome back. So in this video, I said I'll be talking about the do's and don'ts of what you need to know if you really want to restore back your banned PayPal account. Many people are finding it difficult. Like, I have so many people in my previous videos which were telling me that despite everything, PayPal still ignored them, that they could not still restore back their account. Though it's very touching and it's so annoying. For instance, if you are running business with such account, and PayPal has been the most easiest payment gateways which we the online entrepreneurs have been using to make our ends meet in order to make sales or receive payments. So these are things that this is a thing that we have been using that has been a great benefit for us. And come to think of it, and you get a news that you are banned, so annoying and so discomforting. So this is why I said I'll be giving out a good and a perfect guidance, which I believe the moment you watch my video and do whatever I'll be saying in this video, I believe by the help of this guide you'll be able to restore back your account perfectly and back to normal, such as the customers, those that have helped, most people that have helped, these are their results, and they are really thanking me and still grateful to you now. So guys, the number one thing I'll be talking about is how you can be able to address PayPal. That is my number one on this, addressing PayPal. You don't need to go ahead trying to be showing that you are so desperate whenever you want to address PayPal. Understand that they are also human beings working there, so it depends on the way you address them. It matters a lot. The way you address PayPal, for instance, there was a time I have an issue like this, which I went ahead to their Facebook handles, went ahead to their Twitter handles, posting and trying to make them understand that it's so annoying that I just got banned for no reason. And despite all those times I keep posting and dropping threats to them, after everything, my account got suspended from Twitter. So you see how it is so annoying that after everything, you are still one losing out. You have to understand that the way you address them matters a lot. Whenever you have an issue that you got banned or you were just restricted for no reason. So please, the number one thing I'll be talking about is learn how to address PayPal, which I'll be giving you how you can do that. So my number two here is do not show desperation. Do not show that you are so desperate. For instance, PayPal doesn't care if your business is down in the line here. PayPal doesn't care if life is at risk. PayPal doesn't care if someone is losing their life. They don't really care about it. Theirs is once they have placed a ban on an account, the account has to do some things in order to get it back, which you just need to learn, and you can do that by watching this video to the end. So please do not show desperation whenever you notice your account got banned. For instance, I was so desperate at first when I just got a message for doing nothing. your account has been permanently limited. So annoying. I was so annoyed. For instance, if you were to be in my shoe, you also do the same thing too. So this is what I'm saying. In order to avoid working effortlessly and nothing happened, you have to understand that you do not have to show desperation. PayPal doesn't care about their customers. The only thing they just care is their shareholders. And if you are going to be benefiting from them, you also have to understand that you have to have a good customer shareholder working business with you. You understand my point? Do not show desperation of what the account is for you, how you need the account, this and that. They don't care. You just have to understand that you have to give them some criteria to understand that losing you is going to be a big, bad business for them. You understand what I mean? Meaning that whenever you are trying to contact PayPal, understand that you have to show them that you are going to be a big loss for them if they stop doing business with you. Which means you have to present to them those you are mingling with, those you are partnering with whenever you are running your business. That's why I always advise, whenever you are doing any transaction, make sure your transaction has a quality details attached to it to show what the transaction is all about. Most people find it difficult in understanding that you don't need to start sending and receiving funds and telling them that you are doing it for gifts, like for family and friends. When your account enters such problem, sorry to say, you can never be able to restore back that account. So you just have to understand this. But most people are finding it difficult to do that, which I believe once you learn what I'll be giving you as a hint to avoid and overcome this, you are going to overcome it for real. So the third part is, do not try calling them on phone. Especially when you log into their website, you notice contact us form. You click on that and you copy their numbers, try to contact them. It's very wrong. Trying that is, you are still implicating yourself the more. You have to understand that PayPal employs robots and monkeys to answer their calls for them. And you know how it is, since they notice that limitations has been the most frequent queries they have been getting, they employ monkeys and bots to talk to them, to help them in picking calls. So it is very bad that you call them and you be with robot for hours without even still getting the result of what you need. So I don't advise people putting to calls whenever they need help in restoring back their account. It is so bad. So understand that whenever you want to contact PayPal, call should never be your option. It should, because the easiest means of contacting them will give you less effectiveness. The easiest means of contacting them is going to result to a less effectiveness, which I don't think you guys will want, because trying to contact them is you are still trying to hinder your progress in achieving back and restoring back your accounts. So on my fourth point is, do not hinder your chances when you are trying to contact PayPal by showing the anger in you. Some people really find it difficult whenever they try to contact PayPal due to the way they were furious on the way they got banned. They'll try to send a lot of threat message in terms of why will you do this, I'll be doing this, you don't need to do all those things, because those that you're sending those messages to are also human beings. Do not send a message that when they start reading they will be forced to skip your message. You understand what I mean? Now you don't need to send them a message showing that you are annoyed, saying some annoying words to them. You have to understand that these people are also human beings like you. So the moment you send a message of threats, of trying to make them understand that they have really done you bad, and you are showing them you are going to do this and that, you are going to report, you are going to do this, sorry to say, whenever you drop such messages, you are going to be forcing them to skip your message without using the details of what this message is all about. Which is why I'm going to be showing you guys an easy guide on how to write your message and how to make sure that your message appeals to them to restore back your account. This is where I'll be introducing my PayPal appeal kit, which I understand that all you need in order to write an appropriate message, that the moment you send it to PayPal, they read through it, understanding the reasons why your account got banned, and they give you an effective result by restoring back your account, such as this. and this. These are many people that have met with me that got the PayPal template kit, which I've already made, which I believe once you copy whatever I have jotted down in that guide, send it to PayPal, once it is entering their email inbox, they will be forced to read more. They'll be forced to know what this is all about. They'll be forced to know what is your desperation for. Why did you need the account? All these things are in details. So you just need to understand that getting this PayPal guide is going to be of helpful things for you. So please and please do well to go to the description section below. I have the guide link there. You can go on to that description section below, get yours, learn the things you need to know, how you can put your message. This is just an appeal kit, which I believe the moment you copy whatever that is there, send it to PayPal, asking them that you need them to help you, and everything is in details there. The way the message, the way you're going to set your message in order that is going to make it appealing for them to read more is already set there. This appeal kit contains email addresses of the top offices in PayPal, which I mean the email address of those that you'll be sending your appeal message to, for them to give you a fast response to restore back your account. All these are in details in this guide. All you just need to know is go to the description section below. There's a link there that leads to this guide. Grab yours and get it. Once you have gotten yours, follow the steps and guides that is written down there. Send your message to them and expect a response within 3 to 10 days. When I mean within 3 to 10 days, I mean within these days your account will be restored back, such as the testimonials you have been saying that I've been posting in this video. So do well to get yours and to get your account restored. Just as easy as that. So many people are finding it difficult to do that. So this is why I bring out time to write the hacks and the tricks, all the things you need to know. This is not only about the email that you'll be sending. It also has and contains all you need to know about PayPal, the hacks and what you can be able to do in order to avoid getting banned in future. These are all that is in this ebook guide. You just need to go to my description section below, click on the link there and get yours. It's so affordable and very affordable. You just need to understand that you need this ebook guide to help yourself get free from PayPal struggles. This is going to be a helpful one at that. Just understand that you'll be getting a lot of value in this guide. It contains the hacks and the tricks which you need to send an appealing messages to PayPal to help you restore back your account. You are going to be getting results as my friends that have been getting theirs, restoring back their account with ease and making it perfectly for them, and they start using back their account without stress. So guys, as I've said, do not forget to get the guide and help yourself from these struggles of PayPal. So I believe you have gotten a value from this video. Just do well to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel and you'll never regret it, because on a daily basis we find and make researches of things that are going to be of great value for online entrepreneurs just as you and me, and I believe this is going to be so vital and helpful too. Subscribe to our channel and make it perfectly great as an online entrepreneur. So guys, see you in my next video. I'll be dropping another vital video soon in this channel, and for you not to miss it, you need to be a subscriber, and once you have subscribed, you enjoy the benefits of all this. Do not forget to get this guide and set yourself free from being limited for no reason. So see you in my next video, and please bye for now.